Hey.
Hey.
On the go. So this is a new thing. What is it?
Naturally, Singapore airport would have the most fancy, latest airport technology. Never seen this before.
Yeah.
It's just a bag dropped
Alright.
without staff. Basically, you just check in. Because you have these like where you scan your luggage,
Yeah.
but still there are people on the counter.
Yeah.
This is completely people
Alright,
free.
so let's see how we should do that.
So, yes, acknowledge. Please put your bag on belt. Now, please scan boarding pass. We're now retrieving your booking. Fuck this is. Excuse my French. A bag with straps has been
wow.
detected. Please place your bag in.
That's so clever. Yeah, you need to put a tray.
This is funny.
This is so clever. Seriously.
To den pansar. Remove passport cover and fully insert your passport. I guess like this.
Mm-hmm.
No. Please remove passport. Photo taken does not match with passport.
Okay, so maybe it wasn't very convenient because
Screw modern technique.
we still had to seek assistance.
Because the machine, the camera on the machine didn't recognize my face compared to my passport.
I mean, look at this self-check-in area. Insane.
Gentlemen, for information, this aircraft is being refueled. For your safety, please kindly remain seated.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Yes. So we are stamped. Luggages are here. Now we got money. We got a grab and we go to the hotel. So we have cash. Now we need to book a grab and find the exit first. He pointed here to exit, so I think we need to go there. Made it! Okay, tomorrow I'm gonna give you a proper tour of the room and of the place where we stay, but for now I'm just gonna give you a little quick sneak peek. I don't think in the evening it really gives the right feeling. And I really don't understand much as well. But this is like our outdoor area, drying rack. You don't see much. There is the pool. And now Vincent wants to take the fridge with the... Is it heavy?
Hello.
Hello. Thank you. Oh, so kind.
Maybe.
Vincent,
Should we explain the situation?
Yeah, explain the situation of the fridge.
Yeah, like me carrying in a fridge in a hotel room with just came to. We've been here for 2 minutes. No, because when we booked, since we're staying here a month, we really feel that, we felt that we need a fridge.
Yeah.
And we were looking for a place with a fridge. And
Yeah.
on Booking and Agoda, on the description of this room,
Don't move.
it said that there would be fridge and kitchenette. It says it's on our booking.
Yeah.
But then, Alessia found in the comments people saying like there's no fridge, etc, etc. So we got really nervous. Then we emailed them, and then they said, no, there is no fridge or a kitchenette because it's only in our villa, which is like super expensive.
Yes, it's like the price of a whole week in this room is 1 night in the villa.
Yeah, but still on the description for this room it said both kitchenette and fridge.
Yeah.
So we said like, it's a really big requirement for us since we're staying a month and we really need it.
Yeah. So
Like,
what did
now
they do?
We will have to find a new place.
Yeah.
We had to unbook this. So then the owner said that
He
they
bought
would get a
it.
real fridge for us.
So this is a brand new
just
fridge
bought
for
it.
us.
Yeah.
I gave a sneak peek of the room for now, but I think that then tomorrow we can show it better on the daylight.
We got to pick room.
Yeah, we got to pick room as well. Vincent is like hyperactive now.
Because I need to pee.
Okay, so we are gonna shower, we are gonna go out probably and get a little bite to eat or something to drink, I suppose, we'll see. And yeah, and then we go to sleep. Hi, Vincent.